In this lecture, we will talk about Apache Web Server. Apache is one of the most popular open source cross-platform web servers. In this lecture, we will learn install and configure a basic web server, install Unix text-based browser. The services the Apache server uses is HTTPD. Configuration files are etc, httpd, conf, http.conf. That's the file. And then another file, which is the HTML file, it's located under var www.html. The default ports are 80 and 443 for SSL. The default log files are under var log httpd, and then the files are under that directory. To install and configure a basic web server, we will install HTTPD, we will start the service, then we will confirm that this particular file is mentioned under httpd.conf file. Next, we will grep for it to make sure it exists in there, that particular line. Then we will cd into that file, and then we will create an index.html file in there that if it doesn't exist already. And then we can add a line to our index.html file. Then we can install Unix text-based browser and then make sure the service is started. If it's not, then we will start it. Then we will connect to our web server and make sure it exists. So let's get started. Let me bring up my terminal and let's get started with this example. So first thing we will do is we will install our HTTPD, which is our web server. Yum install HTTPD, hit enter. Yum is searching for the package under the mentioned repos. Type in Y for yes to install. The installation is complete. Let's start the service. Systemctl start HTTPD. The service has been started. Let's move on to the next step. And let's make sure this line exists in http.conf file. So now I'm on my terminal and we're going to run the grep command and search for var www in etc httpd conf http.conf. Hit enter. As you can see, the var www/html exists in there. That means the file exists and we're okay to proceed. So the next thing we'll do is we will proceed to the next step, and we'll cd into var www html directory. Let's do an ls. I think I had this file created already, but I'm just going to edit and show you what we need to add in here. So vi index.html, hit enter. As you can see, I already have a line in here that says welcome to my web server. If you have a file or if you don't have a file, just do vi index.html and write a line in there, something similar to this, welcome to my web server, and then just exit and save it, wq, right quit, bang, hit enter, and the file has been saved. Let's proceed to the next step. Now we will install Unix. It's a text-based browser called Unix. Hit yes, type in Y, hit enter, and install it. Okay, let's double check if HTTP is already started. Systemctl status HTTPD. Hit enter. It is already started, so we're okay with that. Let me clear the screen. Now let's make the screen a little bit bigger and type in elinks http localhost. And this is our web server, and this is the page that we created. This is how you can create an Apache Web Server, and this is just a basic example of basic configuration of Apache Web Server. I hope you learned something useful in this video as well, and I'll see you in the next one.